Mastering ISO 2022. Only a few dare to grasp the underlying secrets that turbocharge our organization's success. Who, in the pursuit of operational excellence, can explain the underlying principles that drive improvement and describe their impact on our organization's overall performance and success? The pursuit of operational excellence is built upon a foundation of principles that drive improvement and enhance an organization's overall performance and success. These underlying principles are rooted in the ISO 2022 standard and can be broken down into several key areas. The first principle is a customer-centric approach, which emphasizes the importance of understanding and meeting customer needs and expectations. This involves actively engaging with customers to gather feedback and incorporating their insights into organizational decision-making processes. By doing so, organizations can design and deliver products and services that meet customer requirements, leading to increased satisfaction and loyalty. Another critical principle is the concept of process management. This involves identifying, measuring, and continually improving the efficiency and effectiveness of organizational processes. By streamlining processes and eliminating waste, organizations can reduce costs, enhance productivity, and improve overall performance. This principle is closely linked to the idea of continuous improvement, which encourages organizations to regularly assess and refine their processes to stay ahead of the competition. The principle of leadership and constancy of purpose is also essential for operational excellence. This principle emphasizes the importance of strong leadership and a shared vision that guides organizational decision-making. Leaders play a crucial role in promoting a culture of excellence, encouraging experimentation, and empowering employees to take ownership of improvement initiatives. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement, leaders can inspire employees to strive for excellence and drive meaningful change within the organization. The principle of people engagement and development is equally important, as it recognizes the critical role that employees play in driving operational excellence. This principle emphasizes the need to invest in employee development, provide opportunities for growth and learning, and empower employees to make decisions and take ownership of their work. By engaging and developing employees, organizations can unlock their full potential, increase motivation, and drive improvement from within. Another key principle is the importance of evidence-based decision-making, which involves using data and analytics to inform organizational decisions. This principle recognizes that data-driven decision-making is essential for driving improvement and optimizing organizational performance. By leveraging data and analytics, organizations can identify areas for improvement, measure the effectiveness of improvement initiatives, and make informed decisions that drive business outcomes. The principle of collaboration and partnerships is also critical for operational excellence. This principle emphasizes the importance of building strong relationships with suppliers, partners, and stakeholders to drive improvement and innovation. By collaborating with external partners, organizations can leverage their expertise, share knowledge, and drive joint improvement initiatives that benefit all parties involved. Finally, the principle of performance measurement and management is essential for operational excellence. This principle involves establishing a performance management system that provides real-time insights into organizational performance. By measuring and evaluating performance, organizations can identify areas for improvement, track progress, and make data-driven decisions to drive business outcomes. In conclusion, the principles of operational excellence are deeply intertwined and mutually reinforcing. By embracing a customer-centric approach, optimizing processes, promoting strong leadership, engaging and developing employees, making evidence-based decisions, building collaborative partnerships, and measuring performance, organizations can drive improvement, enhance overall performance, and achieve long-term success. As I sit in my office, surrounded by the familiar sounds of Harvard Business School, I'm reminded of a particular case that taught me valuable lessons about operational excellence. It was a chilly winter morning when I received a call from the CEO of a mid-sized manufacturing firm, seeking my expertise to improve their operational efficiency. The company, which I'll call Precision Parts, had been in business for over 2 decades, with a reputation for producing high-quality components for the automotive industry. However, they were struggling to keep up with growing demand and facing increased competition from lower-cost manufacturers in Asia. The CEO, Jane, was determined to turn things around, but wasn't sure where to start. I spent several days on site, immersing myself in their operations, talking to employees, and analyzing their processes. What struck me was the organization's siloed structure, with each department working in isolation, focused solely on their own goals. It was clear that this fragmented approach was hindering their ability to innovate and respond to changing market conditions. My first instinct was to help them identify the primary constraints in their system. By mapping out their value stream, we discovered that the bottlenecks were in the machining and quality control departments. These two areas were responsible for the majority of their production delays and rework. Together, we developed a plan to address these constraints. First, we implemented a Total Productive Maintenance (TPM) program, which empowered operators to take ownership of equipment maintenance and reduce downtime by 30%. Next, we redesigned the quality control process, introducing a new inspection regime that detected defects earlier in the production cycle, reducing scrap rates by 25%. However, as we began to make progress, I realized that the real challenge lay not in the technical solutions, but in changing the organization's culture and mindset. Many employees were resistant to change, fearing that new processes would lead to job losses or increased workload. It was essential to address these concerns and create a sense of ownership among the workforce. Jane and I met with the management team to discuss the importance of transparency, communication, and empowerment. We introduced regular town hall meetings, where employees could voice their concerns and suggest improvements. We also established a recognition and reward system to encourage innovation and teamwork. As the months passed, Precision Parts began to transform. Lead times decreased, quality improved, and productivity increased. More importantly, the organization's culture shifted from a hierarchical, command and control approach to a collaborative, employee-centric model. Throughout this journey, I was struck by the parallels between operational excellence and personal growth. Just as a well-oiled machine requires each component to function in harmony, so too must an organization's different departments work together seamlessly. Similarly, when we focus on our own strengths and weaknesses, we can optimize our individual performance, leading to greater overall success. As I reflect on my experience with Precision Parts, I'm reminded of the wisdom of Albert Einstein, who said, "The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existence." It is this spirit of inquiry and continuous improvement that drives operational excellence, and it is this mindset that will propel Precision Parts toward a brighter future. In the end, it was clear that the underlying principles driving improvement at Precision Parts were rooted in a deep understanding of the organization's value stream, a willingness to challenge assumptions, and a commitment to empowering its people. By embracing these principles, Precision Parts was able to break down silos, increase efficiency, and ultimately, thrive in a competitive market.
We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young.